Hello everyone, this is Sharon here and welcome to the Art Club. So in this video, I'll be showing you all how to make a keychain of your favorite Marvel character, Captain America. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So firstly, we'll see what all materials we need. Tissue papers, acrylic colors, paint brushes, M-seal, a reference drawing, cutter, compass, glue and all the basic materials. So firstly we'll take M-seal. M-seal you'll get it in any hardware shop. So there's this resin and hardener. When you mix both of these in equal quantities, the substance becomes really hard. So I have resin in my right hand and hardener in my left. We will be mixing both of these in equal quantities till we get an uniform color. Finally, after mixing, we get a dark color like this. So this M-seal is actually sticky when you mix both of these. So it would be better if you apply a little talcum powder on it so that it becomes easier for you to use. So finally it has completely dried up. So after making the hole, what I did was I gave a slight bend from inside and kept it for drying so that it gives a shield's look. So after your shield is completely dried and becomes hard, you can apply glue and tissue paper so that it would be easier for you all to paint on it. So after your tissue paper and the glue thing dries up, we can start painting. So you all know Captain America shield's color, that is red, blue and then white. Since the surface is a dark color, you'll have to apply paint at least more than 3 layers. So apply one first layer, let it dry, apply the second layer, wait for it to dry, and the third layer. So here I have applied 3 layers of red and white. The inner blue is remaining. Here I am applying the first layer of blue color. So after this dries up, I'll apply the second coat and wait for it to dry, and apply the third coat, wait for it to dry, and here we have the 3 coats of red, white and blue. It's completely dried. So what you can do is you can use little fabric glue The fabric glue, what it does is when you apply a layer of fabric glue, when it dries up, it gives a amazing shine like this. So here we have completed Captain America's keychain. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe our channel for more such videos. And till then, have a great day and always keep smiling.